Hi, this is my 8th experiment in System Software and Compiler Lab. It is on loader. So absolute loader is a simple loader which performs the loading process and need not to perform linking and program relocation processes. So this is my program in which I will be having my input file as load.txt. Here you can see here, this is my object program in which I am having my header record, text record and my end record. These are my object codes and this is my name of the program sample. You can see here, here I have used a class called absolute, in which case I'll be using this in here, this line. So in this case I'll be calling that class and then I'll be calling my display function. So when it calls display, we will go to my display function. This is my display function. So to handle exceptions I'll be using my try catch here, try catch. So now moving to the display function. So I'll be having my input as using the input stream reader and this entering to the system. So I'll be using system.in is my buffer reader object, and here I have to enter my program name. So in our case the program name is sample.txt, and then I have to read my line one by one. So I'll be using vr.readline and I'll be storing it in program_name. So I'll be creating a new file object called f for my load.txt file, and this for f I'll be using it in here f, r. So in which I can access from random access file. Then I'll be calculating the size of that file, size of my load.txt file. So the size of this can be calculated through fr.length, since my size is initialized to 0. So sorry, if my d is equal to initialized to 0, so I have to calculate if it is less than 0 or whatever. So if it is d is less than 0 means my size is equal to 0. So in that case I'll be reading my new line, and then I will set my character at 0 if it matches with 8, like the header record. So we are first taking on the header record, matches with the header record, then I will substring 2,8 as dot substring 2,8, and then my object program name, I will printing object program name, and then I'll be getting my file pointer. So if it equals my object name, then again I have a while loop. So again I'll be reading my new line, and then I'll be checking each character by character. Now this part is for text record, that is this part, and finally for this part I'll be checking it later. So for text record I'll be checking with my char at 0 is equal to t. So in that case I'll for my object code I'll be using substring 2,8, since my object code is a 6-digit hexacode. So in that case it is 6-digit. 2,8 means 6. So then it is hexacode, so I'll be converting it into integer using the parseIn function, and then be storing it in a new variable called staddr1. Then I'll be initializing my I value as 12, since as.char at 12 is not equal to $, since 12 stands for, as you can see here, char at 0 is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will come here, this part, this up to 0. So in that case it will check while if my s.char at I not equal to $. So here each of my text record line I'm terminating with $. Dollar is for end marker, which shows the end of the line. So I will be terminating with $, and I will check for $. So if I encounter with $, and I also check while char at I not equal to this symbol. So if I encounter with this symbol I will be printing with 0 along with this address which I am getting from here, and then I will be calculating this char at value, and then I'll be incrementing by my staddr. I'll be incrementing my staddr value, and then also I'll be incrementing my I as twice value, and then I will terminating my loop by incrementing I. So let's run a sample output of this. So I'm giving my program name a sample since I'm given a sample. So now you can see here, this is my 00 value initially. As you can see here, 00 I'm printing it in every cases, and STADDR. So that value you can see here, this is that value, 4-digit address, 4-digit 1000, 1001, 1002, and again I'm increasing. So in that case 1003, 1004 till 2002. And then if my caret value encounters with A, that is for end record, so in that case I'll be getting my file pointer, and then I'll be terminating the loop. So this is for if I write in my file name as incorrect. So if I run it, if I give my file name as some SA, so it will give object program name from file should be sample. So do enter correct object program. So this is the part where it catches the exception. So this was my 8th experiment, and once again we'll run the output. This is the name of the file. So this was the required output. Thank you for watching my video.